Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Hi, I missed you guys so much, so much. But hey, I'm not gonna bore you guys why I was not actually very present on my YouTube. But hey, I'm back. Here we go, I'm back. So if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Evelyn. I'm one of the beauty influencers. I do a lot of makeup videos, product reviews, and all that jazz. So in my today's video, I'm actually going to test out the most popular makeup hack or makeup trend, you can say, I found on TikTok. It's like every couple of videos I just come across this hack and I'm just like, oh my god, I really need to test this out myself. It's supposed to be one of the most amazing hacks like ever, because you can wear that in like summer time and it would be really nice because you won't sweat. So the hack is, I'm going to try to find one of the videos and try to put it, but the hack is you put your moisturizer first, you put your face oil, serums and all that first, then you do the setting powder and then the setting spray and then primer and then foundation. So oh my god, I have to tell you guys, it works. You have to watch the full video to see how good it is. Watch until the end to see the full reveal, like how everything went on so smoothly on top of this whole new routine. I don't know if I'm going to use this every day, because doing my moisturizing first and then setting it with the powder, I don't want to clog my pores a lot. My main concern, like if I do this on daily basis, if it's going to clog my pores like too much, and then in that case I might end up with acne and stuff like that. That's the only reason I'm not gonna do this routine every day. But believe me, this routine will be awesome in summer weather, and especially if you are on the beach or you are on like outdoor party, wedding, function, because you won't sweat at all. I don't think so. So if you want to see how the hack works and how to do it, just carry on watching this video. And before you go, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so every time I'm posting a video you will get a notification. And believe me, my cameras are sorted, everything is good, everything in its order, so the videos will be coming every week, like new content will be up every single week. So yeah, let's just not waste any more time and get into this video. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Take care and stay safe. Hey my angels, so here we go. We are going to begin with some facial skincare first. I already had my main skincare done off camera. I'm just spraying my face with a bit of my Uriage thermal water. This is just to give my face a bit of hydration. Now I'm using ColourPop and 4th Ray Turmeric face milk. This stuff is so good, especially for the price. It's absolutely amazing. So this is basically from this point the hack is starting. So the first thing I'm doing is giving my face a moisturizing, and for that I use the 4th Ray face milk. And now I'm going to use Milani Prep and Brighten rose oil. This stuff smells so good. I got this a week or so ago, but I tested this out yesterday first time and I'm actually quite liking it. Now I'm going to set my face using setting powder, and for this one I'm actually using Faced Mattifying setting powder. This is the Peach Perfect range, and I'm going to apply this with my Sephora brush. And now I'm going to set my face with my Makeup Revolution setting spray. This is the one with the hyaluronic acid. And now I'm going to use my primer, and for primer I actually went with a Tatcha Silk Canvas. It's the old one, not the new one. And I'm blending this out with MAC flat dual brush. This is the dual fiber brush. And for my foundation I actually went with my favorite, which is from Wonder Beauty Nude Illusion foundation, and my shade, this one is perfect for summer for me. This is shade Golden Medium. I'm applying this with the applicator which comes with the
foundation. Now I'm going to blend everything using my damp beauty blender. So did you see the hack? Like, I did all my skincare, then setting powder and all that, and then the primer, then the foundation. And I have to tell you guys, this really works. It worked like a dream. It made my skin looking absolutely flawless. I actually didn't have to go back with more foundation. I just only used what I applied at the beginning. Now for rest of the video, it's going a little fast forward, so I might put the music on for you, but I'm just going to finish the rest of my makeup for you guys, and then I'll show you right at the end how everything is looking and how everything went. So from this point on, I might just put a little bit music here and there, but for rest of my face I actually used most of the products I have already used in the previous videos. I didn't use any of the new products, that's why I'm just going to do this bit in fast forward, just because it's not something new which I want to mention it to you. So yeah, it's just gonna finish off rest of my makeup, and then I'll talk to you in a bit.
I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the door closest starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep I bleed. I fell so fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe, and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't wanna say goodbye. I laid awake just begging to let go. I almost got to suicidal thoughts, but you stepped in. An angel sent from heaven showed me how to live again.
So I just want to mention to you guys, for this look I actually used new lashes from a brand called Boss Babe Lashes. You can see the recent post I posted on Instagram regarding this. It's such a good lashes. Now I'm just setting everything with my Makeup Revolution and gonna fan my face. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do try this hack, let me know what you think, if you like it or not, in the comment section below, and I shall see you guys next time with another product review or a makeup look. In the meantime, take care of yourself, love you all, and see you very soon. Bye.